This project is centered around the Canadian fiction book market in 2020 and uses data from the BookNet Canada report for 2020, Goodreads, as well as data collected by us through online research, for instance YouTube hits or Google search results. Our target audience for this project are those working professionally in the Canadian book publishing marketing departments. Through our data visualizations, we want to help marketing managers and their teams analyze trends in publishing and choose the most effective marketing channels based on comparative titles in the same genre. The first question we posed to our data is whether there is correlation between an author's popularity on Goodreads and the number of times the title was rated. We plotted the number of Goodreads ratings for each title against the number of Goodreads followers for its author and added a genre filter to provide our audience with a way to search within their target genre. We added a small-scale scatter plot that omitted outliers to analyze the trends more closely, as well as a trellis plot organized by publisher, where the user could choose to see either the number of Goodreads followers or the number of Goodreads ratings for a title on demand via tooltip. The second visualization explores the question of whether there is correlation between perceived interest for a title and critical acclaim. For this view, we plotted the number of awards against the number of times the title was shelved on Goodreads, with genre filter provided once more. Once again, we added a trellis plot organized by publisher, this time showing either the number of awards or number of times the title was shelved on Goodreads. The next trellis plot explores whether price for a title plays into the popularity factor on Goodreads. We plotted the number of Goodreads ratings for each title against sale price, with an added dimension for average Goodreads rating shown via color. We also provided our audience with an option to use sliders to choose the range for the number of times a book was shelved on Goodreads for further filtering. This helps our target audience narrow down their comparative titles effectively. The next plot explores the distribution of pricing within each publishing house, with added dimension of genre and the filter for Goodreads average rating. This plot helps marketing departments decide on price for a title and how it compares to their competitors. Lastly, we made a bar chart that showcases the distribution of genre within each publishing house. This bar chart can help answer a question like how does this title fit within our house image, and guide the decision on genre positioning for the title in question.